Add water in soaked black chana. Add 1 tsp salt. Now add onion, garlic, tomato, and green chili. One tablespoon of ginger paste. Take 2 cups of rice and wash them. Add half cup wool. Add spices: 1 tsp red chili powder, 1 tsp turmeric powder, 1 tsp cumin seeds. Add water for gravy. Add 1 tsp coriander powder, 1 tsp garam masala. Now add coriander leaf. Take half cup all and add cumin seeds. Now add 4 cups of water. When water boiled, add rice. When water dried, cover it for 10 minutes. If you like my videos, please like, comment, and follow my channel.